Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We'll be showing you our hatch blackout for this Hyundai Palisade. Um, this is a gloss black film that I'm going to be showing you. Do have this available in a few different options on the website. Actually, there's probably like 30 different options available on this. Um, if you do have a specific request, just feel free to reach out before purchasing. Um, like I said, this is a dry, I don't know if I said that or not. This is a dry release wrap film. So it is going to be applied completely dry. Prior to installation, just make sure that the surface is clean. And you could go ahead and wipe it down right before installing with a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a microfiber. This is a two-part kit. So you're going to have this like inner piece and then the outer piece. I do have a wrap glove on. If you don't have one of those, you can just use your fingertips to do this. You will probably need a heat source, either a heat gun or a hair dryer, to get this to fully set. If you do notice on this product, or at least in this video, I should say, like weird edges that don't look completely smooth, that's because these are like the first offs that we have made for this thing. So your finalized product will be perfect. So then we're gonna get started on the hatch piece first. So on that one, we're just sort of gonna follow this upper contour. And then follow that all the way around. You notice I'm not working down the entire thing, just sort of going and tacking this every so often. Just make sure that everything's gonna fall in place where it needs to be. So once you have that in place, you can go ahead and start to work the material down. Like I said, you can use your fingertips for this. I don't necessarily recommend a squeegee on this, just because you do have a higher likelihood of like getting the material hot in the squeegee, and then you could crease it. Sort of like what I'm trying to work out here. So there's a little tiny crease right there. But if you get that material back up, you could go ahead and work that back down. So once you do have that main portion down, these come in handy. It's a vinyl tuck tool. You could use that, or you could use a squeegee to get that in there. Either way will work. But for that, you're going to want to heat that a little bit. They're just going to run that tuck tool right down that gap. So once you have that gap on the side taken care of, you go ahead and focus on this side. You just want to make sure that material is going right over that edge. Help if I took off the old one that was on there. I didn't notice that. All right, so now that that is all set, you can go ahead and grab the skinnier piece on the side there. This one, same concept. The very top, you want to go slightly past so you can make sure that upper edge is covered. If I could get it to sit right. I'm just going to work the material down towards the bottom of the vehicle. It's pretty much that simple. So again, this is the gloss black. So it gives you an idea of what it looks like once it's installed there. Um, this is a fairly close match to this factory black. I'm not sure the exact color name of this black. Um, but if you have like a white or something, if it's a straight white, we do offer like gloss whites if you do want to like color match the vehicle. If it's another random like color, it's probably not going to be exact match. Normally on those kinds of situations, we just recommend either doing a gloss or sand, and especially in this position too, sand black sort of looks cool because it would be like a two-tone kind of effect. But it's really up to you, depending on what you're completely after on your car. If you do have any questions, our contact information is on the website. You can leave a comment on this video as well. If you're interested in this product or anything else, make sure to check out the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching.